everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Good morning to everyone. It's good to have you here early in the morning. This is the Early Morning Recap Vlog, where we talk about everything and anything that happened this last week. And not much happened, but something is always better than nothing, right? I got my coffee, got some breakfast, and I am doing my best to wake up. I know a lot of you are going to be receiving your OnePlus 6 devices sometime between now and the next few days, and looking forward to hearing your first initial thoughts on that specific device. Looking forward to some of the reviews outside of those big time YouTubers that are reviewing the OnePlus 6. I'm looking forward to those raw reviews. The raw reviews. Yeah, looking forward to that. I'm holding off. I'm thinking really hard about that device. But I'm really concentrating on how I want to go about what I'm going to pick up, as we have a lot of devices coming out here really soon. Whether it's the OnePlus 6, the HTC U12, the LG ThinQ, and yeah, just there's going to be a slew of devices. The Moto Z3 Play should be announced on June 6th, so we'll be looking forward to that as well. Just a lot to think about. I'm really looking at that the white OnePlus 6. That's a gorgeous looking device, but that's not going to be released for another few days, so about a week or so. This last week, I vlogged, and I think the important video that I uploaded for everybody to check out was the software update for the Razer phone, a device that Razer has continuously updated and updated and updated to better the experience for those of you who went out and spent 699 smacks on this device, or you were able to pick it up for $100 cheaper, whether it was at Best Buy when it first got picked up by Best Buy. So you can purchase in-store, or, and I would call probably to make sure they have it in-store or online. If you're subscribed to the Razer newsletter, you get their emails from time to time. They knock off 100 smacks, but you have to be subscribed to their newsletter. That way you will be notified when they're dropping the price. So you're able to save and bring it down to 599 smacks. But either way, it is a lot of money. That's always been the major argument with this device for what you're getting and what you're paying. Everybody had their take on that. We've moved away from that. I think for me, it is what it is. Okay, this is where we're at with the Razer phone. You're either going to invest in it or you're not, and you're going to be intrigued with it or not, like I am. And I'm on this journey. I'm having a lot of fun with it. It was worth me picking it up for what I paid for it. It's a little, my fantasy windshield mount here is a little loose, so I got to tighten that up, but I'm driving right now, so I can't. So I may go back and forth a little bit. Gosh, I'm trying to tighten it up with one hand. Either way, the update brings portrait mode to the camera, which Razer has been continuously working on, and it has gotten better. And I'm going to stop right here at this red light, so I'll be able to tighten up that area so it doesn't. There we go. Hopefully that doesn't move anymore. We have the May security patch. So Razer making sure that they're going to keep their consumers happy with making the choice that we did, in purchasing this device and getting us ready for the second gen, the Razer Phone 2, sometime later on this summer. We'll hear an announcement, and yeah, we'll find out what we're going to be looking forward to. So I'll be keeping everybody informed with all that information, and looking forward to that. So I put up the video talking about the software update, and I put a pic slideshow at the end of that video utilizing the portrait mode, and man, those pics look really good. I was showing off those pictures to a few people, and they were really impressed. I understand some of you are really trained in photography, and you might be able to nitpick those pictures apart, but come on, man. I'm looking at these pics and I'm loving what I'm seeing. I got some great feedback, and that's what matters right there. Okay, not everybody's a trained professional, and we're going to look at these pictures and we're all going to have an opinion. And for what I'm seeing, and for how far these cameras have come with the Razer, I'm really stoked where it's at. And I think Razer just got sick and tired of hearing all the negative crap about their device. And even though it was never intended to be focused on the cameras with this device, it's a gaming device. But you can do a whole lot of other things with it. Okay, it's just not for gaming, even though that's what it was intended for, with that 120 hertz refresh rate, so your experience while gaming can be amazing. There's a whole lot more that you can do with this device that you can with any other device. But I think they got sick and tired of hearing it, so they said, you know what, we're just going to better the experience. It may not be what the Google Pixel 2 is, or the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, or it may not be what the OnePlus 6 is going to be. It may not be this, that, or whatever device out there, but it has gotten better. It has always been good to me. And you know what? I mean, just being too darn picky, man. These pics that I uploaded, this pic slideshow with the portrait mode, they look great. I'm really happy with what this camera is delivering. And I understand you're going to throw up that argument about the price point. But that argument should just about die now, because it is what it is, right? That's where we're at. So anyway, for those of you who are enjoying it and just loving your experience with it, shout out to you. Leave some feedback down below. If you're having any issues, leave some feedback and I'll do my best to help you. Shout out to Tukas Armanis, who sent me a link to go over to XDA Developers to download the Nokia camera APK. I'm actually using that right now to shoot this video. So shout out to Tukas. I appreciate it. He says it's better than the Google camera APK. I'm on a journey with Razer with the stock camera, but I'm willing to try this out just to see how good it looks. And so you're going to let me know how good the quality is, and how good the, as far as visually and the audio quality as well, using the Nokia APK, the Nokia camera APK. So yeah, let me know how everything looks as far as the visuals and how everything sounds. So yeah, why not? I'll try it out. But that's about it, everybody. That's the recap in short, and it's not that short, but right now still deciding on what I'm going to do with the OnePlus 6, whether I'm just going to go for the regular black OnePlus 6 if I do decide to bring one in, or go for the white one, because the white one is pretty darn sexy. I really love the look of that, and I still just don't know, but I'm going to take my time about it. I'm not going to hurry up and rush into anything. We'll be looking forward to the Moto Z3 Play. That looks like a really good mid-ranger, as long as they keep that between 300 and 400, no more than that for what you'll be getting. I think it's going to have 4 gigs of RAM, should have probably about 64 gigs of internal storage with expandable memory, a 636 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 2 cameras on the rear. I think they may be 16 megapixels. I could be wrong. 8 megapixel shooter on the front. Typically, they have flash. The Moto devices have a flash on the front too. I don't know as of yet, but I'm pretty sure it's probably going to have the, man, I hope I'm right. The power button should be doubling up as the fingerprint reader. So that'll be. So I like that. I really dig the fingerprint reader being on the side with the power button. I really love that setup. I don't mind it on the front. I prefer it on the back, but if we can have it on the side with the power button, I'm digging that the best. So that's it, everybody. I don't know if I missed anything. If I did, you can leave it down below. I don't remember everything. There's so much that goes on in my life that, man, half the time I don't even know how I remember what I remember. Outside of that, have a great day, man. And I'm out. That's it. God bless. Thanks for being a part of my Project 13. First time coming on by, please subscribe. Yeah, become a part of the team. Share the videos. Share the vids. Share the love. Make somebody's day. Say hello. Yeah, smile at someone, man. Just make someone's day. Breathe. Enjoy life. Life is good. If you're having a bad day, find a reason to make it good. Okay? And as always, this is my Project 13. You are my Project 13. Have a blessed one.